Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎�𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I'm going to take you with me to Zara to pick out some things for a cruise that did not happen. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we weren't able to go, but I just want to take you along with me and share some fashions that I did pick up. Here is a cropped black shirt that I picked up for $25.90. I thought that was a really good deal. They also had it in white and in rust. I also saw this real cute jumper for $49.90, but it was in an extra small and it was just a little bit too small for me. I am a small medium and I am also tall, so I have to be careful what I buy in Zara. I decided to go with two basic shirts, black and white. And I also picked up a jean skirt and this cute blue dress. I thought this dress would come in handy as a basic, and it's a sundress that you can wear in fall or winter. Here I am trying it on. Fast forward to future Elle costs, I decided to show some footage on the cruise. This is my look for the night. And here's the shirt that I picked up from Zara and some white crop pants to go along with it. The feather earrings were from Claire's, and I went with a really light eye and a muted rose color lip. Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming to the 5th night. This is a regular night, it's no formal night or anything, so I decided to dress a little bit casual tonight. I'm wearing a jumpsuit. It was from Forever She. It's a jumpsuit with open slots on the side. I paired it up with a pair of this kimonos. They are suede with a kitten heel. I love these shoes. They're tied on the waist, and it's a jumpsuit. Either you can wear top button up or you can unbutton it, and I decided to button it tonight. I have a strapless bra on with it. I really love the material. It's not see-through. I paired it with these beautiful earrings, the chandelier earrings. These are from Marco Island, and I did this look on my face tonight, and I also did a video on it, so make sure you stay tuned for this really soft, pretty, shimmery look with a glossy lip. I also love that this outfit has pockets. So I hope you're enjoying this fashion tonight. Stay tuned for day 6, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Here we are on the Disney Dream, and I'm wearing a linen outfit from Red Dress. I decided to pair it with a red lip.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Are you in 28?
No.
Oh.
Are we in 1028? 10/5/28? In a simple eye, I really don't have a lot of makeup on my eyes because the dress is so bold in print that I decided to go with simple makeup. But this is a linen dress from Red Dress, and all the links will be down below.
Hello.
Okay. Hi everyone, it's 𝐸𝑚𝑎�𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. This is night 5, and this is my last night for my outfits. I hope you enjoyed my outfits all week. This outfit was sent from Red Dress.